Yo, what is up, guys? So today, as you can see, we took a loss. So coming in today, I was looking pretty bullish, right? I wanted to see some longs happening. So market opened right on this candle. Market opened this candle right here. So what I wanted to kind of see through market open was that we had a lot of reasons to move up, right? So I did see this candle as my London high, or like some people said this was London high, but like I saw this candle as my London high. But that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go higher. Another reason is that on the 1 hour we already inversed this gap right here, so I kind of anticipated that we could move higher to this fair value gap, and then, for example, balance out this OTE level that we had. That was one thing. We also had Asia high above there and new weekly open again, but like I didn't really think we were gonna go that high. But yeah. So, what did I see was that we came into right of market open. We pushed higher. We swept all these liquidity points. And where do we exactly go? We went into that 1 hour bearish value gap that held this OTE level. And what did I want to see from then on out was that I want to take some sort of continuation lower. So what I wanted to see is that, okay, we get a nice reaction off of that candle. So this is what the candle I was looking at. The only thing that I kind of wanted to see was that, okay, we get a reaction, we hold this candle really well. Is that I want to see some change in state of delivery, which we got right here. I did not take it from down here. I waited for a retest of that, and then I took it from the retest. So this was where I entered, got stopped out right there. So what went wrong in this trade? So overall, I would say I did trade a continuation. Why? Is because I did trade the higher time frame continuation. On the lower time frame, you could argue, okay, we're in a bullish uptrend, but on the higher time frame, you could argue, okay, we're in this bullish uptrend to make the retracement for the higher time frame to move back lower. So in that sense, I kind of validated the fact that I was trading a continuation. I waited for confirmation with this change in state of delivery, and I did not just take my entry right off the bat, right? So I did wait for confirmation, but what went wrong is that on the 5 minute I was looking right. This 5 minute candle respected this 5 minute fair value gap perfectly. So what should I have done better is that, okay, I see this candle respecting this 5 minute fair value gap, right? And I counted this, actually, I counted this move down as my CISD. But what I didn't realize is that, okay, where does this candle move into? A 5 minute fair value gap. And what do we eventually do? We perfectly respect that. So with that in mind, I could have said to myself, okay, we respect this level, I should wait for more structure. Because if we were not gonna respect this, right, I should have just waited, okay, let's see how we react out of this, because we got a nice reaction out of here. Let's see how we react to this. So eventually we close above it. So with that in mind, I should say, okay, I'm gonna at least wait till the inversion of this candle, which we don't get, until like late in the day. So with which we don't get like late in the day. So what I'm trying to say is that where I went wrong today was that I did not mark out this bullish value gap, and I did not see the fact that we had some lying imbalance within there. So the fact that the point I'm taking with me to tomorrow is that I should always look through different time frames, and I should always be aware, because today I would not say I took a bad trade, but I was not aware of this fair value gap, and that's like a really bad thing. I should just be aware of that. It's like a bad mistake. So yeah, overall I would say it was a pretty decent trade. But if I noticed that this Verga was there, I would have not taken the trade. I would have waited for more structure and then said, "Oh, we took out this. Okay, we're probably maybe not going higher." Then I would have probably waited for more structure, and like then even then I would have not traded this, because we're in a consolidation, and I don't trade consolidations. And then I would have probably maybe taken this continuation right here if I were like really trying to trade something. But even then, I would have just said, okay, I don't really see anything. I'm just hopping off the chart, and then I would have avoided this loss. But overall, I learned from it. I didn't force this trade. I waited. I saw this move happening. I saw a good reaction, and that's when I entered. I didn't force the trade. I liked the trade, and I had a good reasoning for the trade. So in that sense, I would say it took a pretty decent trade. Only thing is that I should have seen that this imbalance was there and that we could have filled that and moved higher. So in that sense, I'm taking that point with me to tomorrow and improving on that point. Uh, and also about Monday I did not trade because there was a bank holiday and I don't trade bank holidays. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched this video, I'll see you guys tomorrow again, and yeah, bye bye.